Okay, getting in here late again today. Having a hard time getting home in time for the market opens, but I'm here now, and we've got our first two lines. There's the bottom one, here's the top one, and just waiting for a break now. I'll go ahead and take an entry on this, and looking to see what else I see on my scanners here. SES is up 107%. Let's go see if we can short that. Says it's Synthesis Energy Corporation. No, it's not shortable. I can't short this one. Alright, never mind. Let's see, NAT is up. Not much though. It's not really a whole lot else up very much. Let's see the gap downs. If you want to take a look at what I'm looking at. This is what I'm looking at here, the gap downs. We need to get this in here. Alright, nothing much. Well, actually TVIX is okay. We could take a look at that. But you know what though, there's nothing really going on a whole lot with stock. We'll just concentrate on the YM, it's fine. Do plenty well with the YM anyway. So let's go back to the YM here. Okay, so we're just looking for the break of either the bottom line here or the top line here. And we'll go in that direction. Let's see here. If we were to break the high, the top one I mean, we would take it at 874. Is that right? Boy, that's a huge range, huh? Yeah, 874. That's a really big range. Wow, that's a 874, 774. That's 100 ticks right there. Oh, that's really big. This range is really, really big. Okay, we'll just see what happens. I'll come back. Okay, I had put up two more lines here, this one here and this one here, and it just broke the top of the line. So I've taken a long position here. I got 20 contracts long at 26,867. And let's see here. Did it break the other one? Let me see if it broke the first one. That one's at, it would need to hit 874. Don't know if it's hit 874 yet. No, it hasn't. It hasn't broken this one here, this range, this top, and this bottom. It hasn't broken that range yet, but it did break this second one. And we always go by the most recent one. So we're in a long signal here. We are in a long signal here off of these two bars. This one here and this one here. It just broke the top. I've taken it long. I will come back. Okay, my out on this one's going to be pretty tight here. This one, if it hits 51, I'm going to get out. It's at 55 now. Ready to get out of the trade. If it hits 51, 52, okay, right there, I'm getting out. Okay, we have an offset entry to go short here. Really strong one too. A really, really strong one. Do I want to take this? Yes, I do. I'm going to take it short. Okay, this is a really, really strong offset entry to go short right here. And let me see, where did it go? Yep, it's perfect. It's going to drop out. That was like a false signal right there. For those of you that come into the charting, if you join the charting service, I will teach this to you so that you don't fall for these false signals. There's a way to know. It's going to come down now. It'll come all the way down here. Okay, I will come back. Okay, Dow coming down a bit here. Break even on it now. Up 100 on it. And we're going to get another 2 lines here. When I do, we'll see which way it's going to go. It's either we'll go short off the 2 lines again and keep coming down, or it'll make a reversal and go back up again. But I'm just going to hold it short until I get the signal one way or another, and keep holding it if it goes short, and go back the other way if it goes long. Anyway, I will come back. Okay, so we have our new set of lines here. Here's the top. Here's the bottom. Whichever way it breaks, I'm going to go in that direction. If it breaks the bottom one, it's going to be a short signal. Since I'm already short, I'm just going to hold it. It should go down quite a bit. If it breaks the top, it's going to be a long signal. I'm going to have to reverse the position, take another loss again, and go long. So I really can't tell which direction it's going to go right now. It could go either way very easily. And so I really don't know. So I'm just going to wait for it to break one of these lines here, and then it will go in that direction. I know it seems kind of, how would you put it, like trivial almost, but it's not. This is absolute mathematics and science that you're seeing right here. That's why it works over and over and over again, because of that. But this one right here was off just a little tiny bit right there, and there's a reason for it. There's an absolute reason for it, and in the charting you'll see it happen, with a certain degree of it happens often enough that you can see it and recognize it, and it did it right at an offset entry. And you do have to watch out for those. That's why I reversed the position. Anyway, I will come back as soon as it gets close to either breaking the high here, this top line, or the bottom line. The price hits 870, going to take it long. There it is right there. Okay. Okay, long position here. Down a lot now. It's going to go up a lot here. I'm going to take an extra 10 contracts because it is going to go up a lot. Okay, going in with 30 contracts now. 30 contracts long here. What's going to happen is it's going to, you saw this yesterday too, it's just going to shoot up higher here. And actually it should go up quite a bit higher. So, actually it's Friday, I wouldn't expect it to go too high, but we could look for 100 ticks higher here right now. So instead of 870, we could look at 970, like 970 as the exit. 26,970 for 100 ticks off of 30 contracts will put me well ahead today. Anyway, I will come back. Okay, I'm currently up 3,200 on the YM right now. Back down to 2,900. It's jumping around a bit. But these are the new 2 lines here, and it has just gone long. So it's now a long signal off of these 2 lines. So it's going to continue to go up here. My target is 26,970, which puts me 100 ticks from my position. So, but I'll be looking to get out somewhere around 950 to 970, somewhere in that target area. Anyway, I'm up 3,100 here, and after going down 4,400, and I'll come back. Okay, getting very close to the target here. Let's see, I do have a long signal again, so we're looking good. Order is ready to go, 30 contracts at market, ready to get out here. Currently up 6,000 right now. It should make it to 950 to the 970 area, almost up to 950 now. Okay, looking good, looking good. Up 6,500 here. Okay, what you're seeing, these lines are one of my systems, and I am going to use another one of my system, which is like a scalping system, and I am going to use that for the exit. If I get a short entry off of that system, I'm just going to jump out. Right now, I have a long entry off of that system, but I also use it for exits. If I want to get out, precision level, want to lock in the profits, I use it all the time. Works very, very good. And right now I have a long signal, so no reason to get out here. But I will lock in these profits that I have and call it a day. I'm done. It's Friday and I'm tired. It's actually late at night to me. It's 10:30 at night. And I like to take Fridays off usually. But today I play because it had a huge gap up and it's in play right now. So I wanted to play it, but okay, there's the target right there at 950. Still don't have a reason to get out. Oh, it just shot to 970 right there. Okay, I'm looking to get out here. Market, sell. The slightest little red bar, I'm getting out. Okay, I'm getting out right here. Okay, I'm out. $7,000. Well, that thing just shot straight up to 970 just in 1 second. See that? If I put my mouse over the... Look down here, and you can see the high, the H right there. When I put my mouse over the bar, look at the high. 26,969, right up to 970, right to my target. So that's why I jumped out right there. But it did it so fast, there's no way I could have exited. Just did it 1 second, then came right back down. So that's why I exited the trade, because it had made it to my target. Okay, I'm all done for today. It's Friday. It's 10:36 p.m. to me. And I am going to relax and call it a week and look forward to the weekend and watch a movie on Netflix. So I hope all of you traders have done well today. We got a long entry off this first one. This one was no good. These two bars right here, this was no good technically speaking. I could see that it was no good because of the way it did it. It was a offset entry to go back the other way. That's why I got out for the quick loss. But it was no good. This one was good. This one was good. And they'll probably all be good for the rest of the day. But sometimes you do get one, sometimes even two that doesn't work. Or like yesterday, they all worked. That's just one of my systems. I have two other systems too that you can use that are just as powerful as this one. Anyway, I am all done for today, and I will see all of you on Monday. Hope you have a great weekend, and I hope all of you traders are doing well in your trading. See you on Monday.